Hello, my name is Rebbie Afuyaso, and I am one of the STEM students that was selected to continue their studies overseas. I was selected to continue my studies in Wuhan University of Technology here in China. This is currently my first year studying in Wuhan University of Technology, and I am taking Bachelor in Computer Science and AI. I know several technologies to create websites and web applications. I can deal with front end where the client interacts with, and I can also work with databases and the backend function. So I am a full stack web developer, and I have built a project. This project is a system, an online system where clients can apply for an electronic visa to Papua New Guinea. So this system is basically an all-in-one system where it includes both the client and the admin. It has database where the client can send information, apply for visa, and the information will be sent to the databases and be stored. And the admins can go and retrieve those informations, and they can manipulate those information, go through them, scan, verify the information. They can also download them, search through them, and they can update the progress, and then it can be sent to the clients again. So this is the home page. We have the apply page where clients can go to apply for the visa, and this is the apply page. The first section is where they're going to upload the documents. These documents include the visa and the ID photo, as well as other relevant identification documents. So I'm going to do an example and upload my documents. So first of all, my passport bio page. The second one is the passport cover page. The third one is a recent ID photo that you took, and the last one is other IDs. It can be like driver's license or any other form of identification documents. So the first section is personal information, which the client is going to fill out his or her personal information. The first one is a surname. The second one is the given name. I'm going to put my name, and then if he or she has other names, you can also go in this field. You have the gender, the date of birth, and the nationality. The second detail is the passport details. So in the passport details, we have the passport number, the passport issuing country, the issue date, and also the expiry date. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up as an example. Section 3 is your contact information. First, your phone number, and next is your email address. So that email address will be used to send you the updates of the visa, how the process is going. So it has an automatic email generation. It will generate automatic emails and send them to that email address. The fourth section is you stating your travel details, the purpose of travel. My case is study, and the arrival date 1st of February 2025. Section 9 is declaration. You just have to click that box, I agree to the declaration statement and all the laws of Papua New Guinean visa, and you put your full name as your signature, and you're gonna enter the date that this agreement has been agreed, and just submit the application. So after submitting the application, I have received my unique tracking ID and also a notification stating that my application has been successfully submitted. So this tracking ID will be used to track the status of your visa. So it's like you will use it to go to the track page and you will track the status of your visa application. So I'm gonna go ahead to the track page and let us test the track page. So if I put my tracking ID into the field And if I search for track application, it will tell me the status of my application. So once I click track application, you will see the application status. It says submitted, and then you have 4 stages: submitted, under review, approved, and rejected. Also, my tracking ID is right there, the one that I just pasted. The applicant name, which is my name, is there, and the submitted date, which I submitted, and the last updated date. So all the information has been sent to the database, and now it is already stored in the database. So now if I want to see the application that has been submitted, that I just recently submitted, if I want to go and see it, I have to go to the admins tab. So this process will be done by the admin. So this is the admin tabs. This is the admin dashboard. It has all the summaries of total application, and also visas submitted, visas that are under review, visas that are approved, and visas that are rejected. It has all the summary, and you can even sort them according to that summary. So these are some of the applications that I have already submitted when I was testing out the process. So there are a total of 6 applications, and the first one is the one that I just recently submitted, like few minutes ago. I just submitted it. This is the first one. As you see, the status is submitted. We also have others that are approved and others that are rejected. Some are under review, but the recent one that I just submitted, is the status is submitted. So if I want to see the details of the applicant, you just go ahead and click the I button on the right side, and it will show you all the documents that the applicant has submitted and all the information that he or she has submitted on the page. So this is all the information that I have entered a few minutes ago. You can see the documents and the personal details, the contact information, the passport details, the travel details, and the application timeline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. So if I change the status of my application to under review, it's gonna take a moment to change the status. So right now it's submitted, so it's gonna change to under review. So after the status has been changed to under review, the headings will also be updated and changed from submitted to under review. So if I go to the track application page and I paste the same tracking ID and I track the application, the status will also change from submitted to under review. So it changes from submitted to under review. But if I want to change the status to either approve or reject, if I change the status, then the status will also get updated on the client side. So when they go and put the same tracking ID into the tracking field, it will show that their visa is also approved. And at the same time, it will also send an email to their phone telling them that their visa has been approved. So this is an automatic email system that is sent when the client's visa is approved or rejected. Another functionality of the system is that the admin can download the PDF of the clients or of the applicants that applied for the visa. The PDF is automatically generated, so the admins can go ahead and download the PDF if they want to do manual verification. So the PDF, I am still working on the layout to make it more official and make it more neat, and currently right now I am not finished with the PDF format, and I'm still working to generate a more professional PDF later on. Also, some functionalities that are expected to be put into the system later on is online payments, and also automatic generation of electronic visas online, and QR codes, unique QR codes that will be allocated to every visas that is being produced. So once the applicants arrive in Papua New Guinea, they just scan the QR codes, and all the details will just be like appear on the system to verify them and allow them access. So basically, this is my entire project that I am working on. It's still halfway there. I just have to finish the PDF, and also I have to finish creating the electronic visa, and I will include the online payments, and other functionalities also will be included in later updates. This is the project that I am working on, and your time is very much appreciated. More updates and more insight on this project will be provided as time goes by. But for now, this is the first insight into this project. So I'm also available, and I'm also able to do any other project apart from this. Anything to do with web development and online system, I am flexible, and I can do anything that is given to me. Once again, thank you very much for your time and your patience. This is the end of my presentation.